Hello and welcome to MMI. In this series of tutorial videos, we'd like to show you the basics of the MMI CellCut and how to get good results for further research. The MMI CellCut is our laser microdissection system designed to cut tissues, large regions of interest or single cells, and even living cells for further processing. With its high-pulse UV laser for precise cutting and the patented CapLift technology for reliable tissue and cell isolation, it will help you with all your laser microdissection needs. In this video, we show you how to calibrate the CapZ offset. This step is important so your sample will always stay in focus before, during and after cutting. Do you know that? Once you turn down your cap on the membrane, it will get out of focus. This is due to the fact that you are applying mechanical pressure on the membrane, but you can solve that. The trick is called CapZ offset, and we will show you how to do that. First, you have to move down the cap and focus, so that the membrane is in your focus plane again. You can do that with the slider or with your mouse wheel. Then you have to move the cap back up again and refocus again. Once again, you can use the slider or your mouse wheel. Last step is to click on CellCut and press CapZ offset. Now the CapZ offset is defined correctly and your sample will always stay in focus with either cap up or cap down. Some remarks to that. The offset can vary depending on the position on your slide. It's stronger in the middle of the slide than on the border. If you're working first in the middle, then on the border, you might recalibrate the CapZ offset. When you start drawing shapes, the software will also memorize the set position. So if you want to have good results, just draw your shapes with cap down if you're using cap down collection method, or with cap up when using cap up collection method. We hope this video helped you with working with the MMI CellCut. Feel free to visit our other videos for more information about MMI instruments and handling.